someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with no, know how I pop out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma pop out. Don't play with someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong.
It's raining outside, but let's start that thing up. Let my system purge. God damn. My battery are dead. Guys, welcome back to another video, man. It's raining, but I had made a promise to myself that, you know, I'm gonna try to upload every 2 days, and that when the Hellcat is back, I'm gonna make it pay for itself. So I gotta make the content, right? So we're going to a car meet, even though it's like that. Let me close up that garage, man. Turn on some AC, kinda hot. Alright guys, we're gonna head to the car meet. If the car meet is not popping like what the guy told me it is, we'll just put that camera on my head and we get a POV drive. Cool? But yeah, let's head out, man. Yo, I love those lights on that Integra. And he said it's manual too. Let's look, Jeep, Cat, MR2, Miata. You know what I'm saying? Ain't too much cars here yet, but hey, let's see what happens, guys. I mean, guys, for the rain, not too bad, right? I mean, I don't know. I haven't been to a meet in 5 months because the car's been broken. So I was like, you know what? Screw it. Let's just go to a meet, man. It's raining. Turnout wasn't too much, but I mean, there's a few cars. You got a Jeep, you got the MR2, the Miata's left, you got the Cat, you got a Scat Fat wide body over there, Shaker hood, wide body Scat, Integra RX-7, and a solid Lexus too. So I mean, and that Honda over there, that's just slammed. Not the typical video we normally do, but yo, hopefully you guys stick through it. Go, talk.
No, that's the white BMW. That was.
It looks sick. The white. Those rims are nice too. I like those rims. One more time, do that again. That shit brand new, huh? Guys, I am too nice as hell. And the owner is cool too. So stay tuned for a video on that car, man. That shit clean, I ain't gonna lie. Hellcat versus M2. After he does the dump pipe and see we can test that out, you know what I'm saying? But stock, I already know. But Hellcat versus M2 might maybe coming soon after he stops on the downpipe. Okay, okay. See you, dog. Yeah. Let's start it up. Okay then. Okay then. We in the M2, dog. That new thing. Y'all see the screen? Which more we in? Oh, I messed up. Put it back in M2. Here we go. Valves open. Damn. It popped for a second. Okay then. What y'all think about the M2, man? Y'all like the M2? Y'all like the M2? Okay, ladies and gents, we're out of there on our way back. Well, gotta go somewhere real quick. But yeah, it was definitely worth coming out for sure. I mean, I met up with a cool few people, you know what I'm saying? A few cool people. My boy Adam, he the one that told me to pull up, so definitely shout out to my boy Adam with the MR2. Shout out to the guy with the M2 as well. We're gonna see if we can do a video with that car soon. You guys saw me revving it, right? He gave me the keys to the M2, gave him the key to the Cat. We might just switch tomorrow for sure. You know what I'm saying? Trading the Cat for the M2. But yeah, heading somewhere right now. Had to leave a little bit early. Gotta be at the spot where I'm going by 11:30. So yeah, we got it there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's 11:11. Make a wish. Let's get home safe. That's my wish. Get home safe. That's it, man. Sometimes it's simple stuff in life, guys. Sometimes it's simple stuff in life. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. definitely worth it. Glad I went. Bye, guys.